Ever feel like you're on a hamster wheel, constantly working, trading time for money? You finish one task and another 10 magically appear? Ugh. Especially when you dream of that glorious, elusive thing called passive income. You know, where money just appears in your bank account while you're, perfecting your nap technique or finally learning to juggle flaming swords? That dream isn't a fantasy. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's not about endless grinding. It's about building systems that work for you, so you don't have to keep repeating the process again and again. Today, we're diving deep into 5 proven strategies that are crushing it right now, right here, and can set you up for true financial freedom. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Affiliate marketing, isn't that just spamming links everywhere? Or isn't it too saturated? I'll never stand out. Or my personal favorite, I'll spend hours creating content only for it to disappear into the internet abyss. Believe me, I've been there. The frustration of putting in the work and seeing zero results. The fear of wasting your precious time on something that just adds to your to-do list instead of subtracting from it. But that's the old way of thinking, the active way. We're talking passive today, folks. The kind where you set it up smart and it keeps paying you back. So, put down that third cup of coffee because we're about to unveil the secrets to building income streams that flow even when you're not actively pouring. Strategy number 1. Become a niche navigator with an evergreen content machine. Your pain point here? Feeling overwhelmed? Scattered? Trying to promote everything to everyone? It's like trying to catch water with a sieve. Impossible! The relief? Laser focus. Instead of being a jack-of-all-trades, master one. Find a specific problem that a specific group of people have, and then find products that solve that problem. Think best ergonomic desk chairs for remote programmers or top eco-friendly baby products for new parents. Once you've got your niche, create evergreen content. These are blog posts, YouTube tutorials, or in-depth guides that remain relevant for years, not just weeks. Think how to set up a smart home system for beginners, or review of the top 3 noise-canceling headphones for remote work. You put in the work once, you optimize it for search engines, SEO, our best friend, and it keeps attracting traffic and generating sales for months, even years. This is your first passive income engine. Strategy number 2, become a trust architect and build an authority hub. The pain? People don't trust internet strangers. They see a link and think spam. They scroll right past because you haven't given them a reason to listen. The relief? Authenticity and value. People crave genuine recommendations. Instead of just listing products, review them. Show your face, talk about your personal experience, highlight the pros and the cons. Be honest. This is where YouTube reviews, in-depth blog comparisons, and even live Q&A sessions shine. Your authority hub could be your blog, your YouTube channel, or even a well-curated Pinterest board. The goal is to be the go-to source for information in your niche. When people trust you, they'll naturally click your affiliate links because they know you've done the homework for them. This isn't just about selling. It's about helping. And trust me, helping pays dividends. Strategy number 3, build an email marketing empire. This is your passive income golden goose. The pain point? Relying solely on social media or search engines. Algorithms change, platforms disappear, and your audience can vanish overnight. You don't own that traffic. The relief? Direct access to your audience. When someone gives you their email, it's like they've handed you the keys to their private mailbox. You can communicate with them directly, nurture the relationship, and send highly targeted recommendations. Offer a valuable freebie, an ebook, a checklist, a mini course in exchange for their email. Then set up automated email sequences, welcome series, nurture sequences, product spotlights. You write these emails once, you load them into your email software, and they go out automatically to new subscribers, building rapport and gently recommending products. This is the epitome of passive income, working tirelessly in the background. Strategy number 4, the paid traffic accelerator. The pain points? Waiting endlessly for organic traffic to kick in. Or worse, spending money on ads that don't convert, feeling like you're just throwing cash into a digital black hole. The relief? targeted, scalable traffic. This isn't about aimless spending. This is about smart spending. Think Google ads for high-intent keywords or Facebook Instagram ads for hyper-targeted audiences. You're putting your offers directly in front of people who are already looking for solutions that your affiliate products provide. Start small, test your ads, optimize, and then scale up what works. You create the ad, set your budget, and the platform does the heavy lifting, bringing qualified leads to your content and ultimately your affiliate links. While it requires an initial investment and monitoring, once a campaign is profitable, it can run on autopilot, generating consistent sales with minimal ongoing effort. This is where you really put the accelerator on your passive income. And finally, strategy number 5, the diversification dynamo, amplified by AI. The pain point? Putting all your eggs in one basket, one platform, one affiliate program. What happens if that platform changes its rules or that program shuts down? Panic. The relief? Multiple income streams and technological advantage. Don't rely on just one source of traffic or one affiliate partner. Have your blog, your YouTube channel, your email list, your social media presence. Explore different affiliate networks. The more diversified you are, the more resilient your income. And here's where it gets exciting. AI is your secret weapon. Use AI tools to brainstorm content ideas, write first drafts of blog posts or email copy, generate compelling ad creatives, even analyze data faster. This dramatically reduces the manual effort part, making your passive strategies even more passive. AI helps you scale your content creation and optimization without needing to clone yourself. It's like having a hyper-efficient, tireless assistant. So there you have it. 5 proven, profitable affiliate marketing strategies that can move you from the relentless grind to genuine passive income. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about building intelligent systems that pay you back for years to come. Remember, the beauty of these strategies is that once you've laid the groundwork, built your trusted hub, created that evergreen content, set up those email sequences, optimized those ads, the ongoing effort becomes minimal. You're not starting from scratch every single day. You're simply nurturing, optimizing, and watching your passive income grow. So if you're tired of trading hours for dollars or whatever currency you earn, it's time to embrace the power of smart affiliate marketing. Pick one strategy, dive deep, and start building your financial freedom today. Don't forget to hit that like button if this resonated with you, subscribe for more passive income insights, and let me know in the comments, which of these strategies are you most excited to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building those passive profit machines. And hey, before you run off to quickly go and try out these strategies, here's a very useful video gift from the channel that you don't want to miss. Check it out and thank me later. See you in the next one.